So you may have just hopped onto Instagram and you may have seen something that looks like this, where it's telling you that content is not available. Now, this can happen for a few different reasons. The first reason why this may end up happening, for one, is that maybe the content that you saw is no longer basically available because it was deleted. So somebody basically goes through on Instagram, and if they actually, delete something, but somebody still sends you a link of that particular photo or video, if they deleted that specific photo or video and then you got sent a link to that video or photo, you may be getting this pop-up because that person deleted the photo or video. So keep that in mind. That is the first thing to keep in mind, is that if you can't find that video anymore, it may mean that either that person deleted the video, or what also could end up happening is that Instagram actually went through and deleted that post, which is another big thing that could end up happening too. So if I post this photo and then I sent this link to this photo to somebody else, but then they ended up, Instagram ended up deleting that photo or taking it down, that could also be another reason why you're getting that pop-up, is because that content isn't available anymore because it was basically deleted. So that's like another big, massive thing to keep in mind as well, which can happen all over the place. Now, something else that can also end up happening is maybe Instagram is just having some weird issues. So you may just actually end up having to go through and basically update Instagram. So go inside of your app store just like so, and all you're going to want to do is click search, and all you want to do is just go and search up Instagram. So go right into here and just go and type in Instagram just like this. And all you're going to want to do is just update your Instagram app. That could be another thing you can try doing as well. What you can try doing too, if none of those things are working, is going to a website that basically tells you what's down and what's up. So these websites include websites like downdetector.com, which is similar to this one. So what you can do is just go through and basically just, scroll down until you see Instagram. What you can do is just keep scrolling down until you see, Instagram that's basically down. And then if it's down, then, all you're going to have to do is basically just wait until Instagram fixes the problem. So that is basically the main way to go and do it. If you have any other thoughts or questions, let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that would mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out.